enjoying your toast? Is it yummy? Oh, yum, yum, yum. Morning, everyone. Today is a bit of a weird one because we had a lay-in. Well, I'm not sure Archie had a lay-in, but he didn't actually wake us up till 8:30. And it's probably the worst day this week to have done it. Although I am very grateful because we've got the Sky Man coming around at 9 o'clock to fix the sky. I've got to take Archie to play school at 9. And I've also got to go and drop some stuff around to the plumber for the new house at 9. So even though we're very grateful for the lay-in today, it's probably the worst day we could have. It's for Martha, is it? What is it? Can we see?
No, it's a little man.
It's a little man? Oh, that's a good little man.
What have you done?
This is for Martha.
Written A-R-C-H-I-E. And this is a... What's this?
A camper van.
A camper van with...
Legs and eyes.
With legs and eyes.
No.
That's amazing. You're getting so good at writing your name.
Are you walking? Are you?
Good morning, guys. So I've just been getting dressed and ready for the day. It's actually a lot later now because we've had loads going on this morning that we've had to kind of deal with, like, you know, boring life admin stuff. But I've just been getting ready. And look, I just can't get rid of these little tufty bits when I put my hair up at the moment. It's so annoying. I look a bit of a mess. I've just bunged my hair up, to be honest. But yeah, I thought I'd vlog today anyway. It's just quite a relaxed day. Not too much going on, but this afternoon now, really, we're going out shopping to just look for a few bits and bobs for the house. We're still at the stage where we're sort of choosing the more, dare I say, boring things like light switches and sockets and things like that. Not like, you know, pretty things where my head's at, or I already think, you know, oh, I want to do this and I want to do that, but we're not even there yet, so have to rein myself in. But if I do see some nice things today, then I might just put them away for when we do move in. So Cybex have very kindly sent us their new Sirona S I-size car seat to try out. We've been testing it out for a couple of weeks now, actually, and honestly it's amazing. My friend's had it for her little boy since he was born, and she showed me what it did and stuff, and I absolutely loved it. So when they got in touch with us, I was absolutely over the moon. I love it when brands want to work with us, but when it's something for the boys, it just makes me even happier for some reason. And I just thought I would show you what this car seat can do, because it's really great, especially if, like me, you struggle to get your children in and out of their car seats, or if they don't like being put in car seats, both of which we have that problem with, or we did. So this is the Cybex car seat, and as you can see, you just put them in side facing, so it's so much easier for me being small. He doesn't cry, whereas before, yeah, Dad's right there. He used to cry and scream when we put him in his old car seat because he just didn't like it. But this way he just feels like he's like sitting in a seat, so he absolutely loves it. And also it's much easier for me to just be able to put him straight in the car and not have to kind of mess about trying to get him into the rear facing car seat. So basically you just put them in and then you just swivel them around, and there you go. This is in the rear facing position now, and as I said, he's so much happier. You can lay it down a little bit more so that they can have a bit of a sleep, but they can be in this car seat from newborn to 4 years old, so it's actually a really, really good investment. For Archie, we've bought numerous car seats all the way up until his age, which is coming up to 4, whereas if we'd have bought this one, he would have still been able to be in this now. So yeah, it's brilliant. And then once they're over 15 months, if you want them to be, they can be front facing. You just put them in sideways again and swivel them to the front. So it's become an absolute game changer. I'm so glad we've got it. Hopefully he'll have a sleep on the way there. Please sleep. Will you sleep? Can we make a deal?
Dog.
The dog's barking, I know. Dog. What noise does a dog make? No, they don't growl. As I mentioned, this is a 360-degree rotating car seat. As well as being really easy to use, it has some brilliant safety features, such as the linear side protection system. You just pull out these tabs to activate it, and it helps to protect your child in the event of a side impact collision. and driving control to prevent the front-facing seat being used before your child is 16 months and at least 76 centimetres tall.
That I've been the fool, I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty.
It's really funny, we were saying how much we've been looking forward to doing this for so many years, and when it finally comes to it and you have to make the big decisions, it's actually really hard. We can't commit to anything. We're looking at tiles at the minute for the bathroom.
Is that a bit dark, isn't it?
Oh, I quite like that actually.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's actually nice because the grain in it isn't like black, is it?
It's not, yeah. I still thought you might have thought that was
expensive?
dark. It doesn't say.
Will it be slippery for the boys? I can't see, so I'm just going to put the camera up to help me.
Oh yeah, what about, this is the same, isn't it? Or is this a little bit lighter?
No, that's darker to me.
No, that's the same. They're the same.
I think it depends what pieces you get, because they're all obviously all different. So for the floor and some of the walls, we're thinking of doing marble. Yeah, that's not quite as nice though. That one was really nice, but I don't want like really strong marble. I want something that's a bit more subtle. And then we're thinking for the back wall of the shower to do like a feature wall of a patterned tile. And they've actually got some Laura Ashley ones that I was looking at online, so I'm just going to have a look at them.
I like the colour.
So this is one of the Laura Ashley ones that I thought was quite pretty, just for one wall. I'm not sure what this one's called now. We're just looking for some bedroom furniture, but we're not really meant to be looking at that today. Oh well. I really love this little chair. I'm hoping to find something like this in TK Maxx or Home Sense or something.
Did you have 4 spotlights to provide you with the light, so you could actually have something like that?
Yeah, it's a shame it's not a bathroom light. It's really pretty. Really love this set. This is so beautiful. So we've just come to prep to grab something to eat. Elliot's having his what is it? Pasta. He's having his pasta that we brought with us. But I have got a rather delicious sounding baguette. It's avocado, olives, I think it's sun-dried tomatoes, rocket. It's really, really nice. So the olive obsession continues. I love this one. And I just got some sea salt crisps, a little apple, sparkling apple, which is my favourite. And Ricky loves the grapefruit and elderflower. And what sandwich did you get, Bubs?
Posh cheddar and pickle.
Posh cheddar and pickle.
Yeah.
And then we've got a chocolate brownie for me and some cranberries and coats for Ricky, which funnily enough I was looking at the backs of these the other day because this is what we always get, because Ricky's trying to be healthy and I'm clearly not, but there's not actually much difference in the calories in either of these. They're both 60 grams and this actually has what is it?
Better energy in it.
This has less carbohydrates, more protein, less sugar, which is ridiculous. How can that have less sugar? And less salt. But it does have something like 20 more calories. So I know which one I would rather go for.
But I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free.
So we have been in 4 or 5 homeware. Woo, new time then. 4 or 5 homeware shops today, and we have come out with a bin, a frame, a polo shirt for Archie, sweets, and a book. Just sums us up really, and we haven't made one decision on the house or any homeware stuff.
We did get a frame though.
Just picked this little guy up from play school. Did you have fun? And this little rascal just woke up from a nap. Did you make cakes today, by the way? Oh, I thought you was.
We didn't have any time.
Oh, you ate them all, did you?
No.
Oh, you didn't have any time, did you say?
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay. Should we go home and watch Peter Rabbit?
We got it for you.
What?
We got it to work.
Oh.
So we're back from the shops now. I feel like that wasn't very productive because we still didn't buy any of the things we really need to get, like the light switches, the plug sockets, the light fittings, all of that kind of stuff. But every time we go to different places, it gets us a little bit closer to knowing what it is that we want. So I think we just need to make a few more decisions tonight and then maybe go and get all of that kind of stuff tomorrow. I did see a few things in TK Maxx that I thought I would just show you now and do like a little mini homeware haul. I did get a few random things. Got Elliot a book called Woof Woof because he loves dogs, and it's a flap, like lift the flap book, so he'll like that because he's starting to really enjoy books at bedtime. And then we found some Candy Kittens sweets. We actually got sent like a really lovely big box of these at Christmas time, and we got obsessed with them. And Ricky's favourite flavour was watermelon, sour watermelon. And they sell them in TK Maxx for $1.99. Yeah, they're quite big packs, and they're really nice sweets. So he was so excited when he found those ones. I personally loved the pineapple ones. I got this little card because I love cards to just put up in my, you know, in my office. I got this one and it says, "We need our own reality show," which I just thought was really funny. I'm still on all the random stuff right now. I found this little t-shirt. It was just hanging up in one of the homeware aisles on its own. It was my size and I thought, that's so perfect, I'm gonna get it. So it's a grey male top. I'm not holding it up very well because I'm holding the camera up, but it's pretty much just a grey male t-shirt, and it says "Life's a Peach," and it's really beautifully embroidered on. Hang on, I'll just quickly show you. So it's a really nice little casual tee with rolled up sleeves, and then it says "Life's a Peach" embroidered, and it's actually a tea and cake one, which I think is not an expensive brand, but I got it for $9.99. I've just put you on the bed. This is not a very professional setup, is it? You can see all the mess in the background, but please bear with us because obviously things are quite up in the air at the moment. But anyway, I found this little, I guess you'd call it a basket, I'm not really sure, but I thought it was really cute. It has almost like a pom-pom detail on, but they're kind of, I don't know, just like a tassely pom-pom look, and it's this really nice natural cream colour, which I thought would be perfect for Elliot's new room, and it was only $12.99. So this, I just love these anyway, just to have in each of the boys' rooms for toy storage. It does need a bit of like some fluff taken off it and stuff, but yeah, for $12.99 it's really big. I thought that was lovely. And then also for Elliot's room, I nearly bought something for Archie's room. It's like a navy blue light with gold like legs on it, but I didn't in the end because I'm not sure that's the colour we're going to have in his room. But I did see this and I thought this could be quite cute for Elliot's room. So it's just a little mint and natural wood picture frame really, but in each of the little rectangles you have clips, and also this one has a really cute little pegboard. So I thought, oh, this one does as well. So I thought it could be nice for little quotes, little photos of his family, like obviously us. And also because the shelves are not that deep, but you know, you could stand little toys in there as well. So I just thought that would be a really nice feature for his bedroom. I'm sure it will go somewhere if it doesn't work in his room, but I just liked all the geometric patterns inside, so I thought that would be perfect. I thought I'd also just quickly show you what I've got for Elliot's room so far, because I've just put two pieces together that I already had, and I'm really pleased with how it's starting to look. So I found both of these things in Aldi, but it was a while ago, so I'm not sure if they're still available, annoyingly. So this is a really lovely Aztec cushion, and it's got that sort of mint colour going on as well, and the white, obviously. I thought that was really, really nice. And the thing that started me off on this colour scheme actually for Elliot's new room is this. It's actually a toy bag as well, but it's massive. It takes up so much space, and I realised I've just got this, and this is a toy basket. So I've been thinking for a while what I might do. It's double-sided, so I might cut one of the fronts off and frame it or something for his room, because if I iron it, it could actually make a really nice little canvas or print for his wall. I forgot actually, I also got Elliot this. This was a birthday present, but it was going to obviously be saved for his new room. And it's just a wire hello. It's by, I think it's by Bombay Duck. Yeah, Bombay Duck. But I got it on eBay, I think. And again, it just goes really nicely. I think it just all ties in. So that's kind of what I'm going for his bedroom so far. Let me know what you think. I just love doing all of this stuff. It's just where my passion is. I love house decorating, renovating, interiors. So but it's so funny when you actually get to do it. It's weirdly overwhelming and you can't make decisions. I don't know if that's just me or if that's a general thing, but when you start to see things all put together, that's when I get excited. Oh my goodness, who is it? Who? Captain America. Wow. Oh, you're bringing me the phone. Thank you, I need that. Thank you, that's very helpful. Good boy. Good jobs. So I'm solo parenting now. Listening to the Mean Girls soundtrack to try and get through this. No, they're being really good. It's just that when they're just at this really awkward age, both of them. So just now I had one trying to spray fresh air spray and the other one ripping up toilet paper and throwing it down the toilet. And it just gets to a point where you're like, oh my God, don't do this to me. It's really not funny. No, spit it out, spit it out. Well, you can't eat toilet paper. Let go. Okay, you alright? And that's what he thinks of that. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me.
What is that?
Don't worry, you comfy?
Songs.
You want songs? Can I have a kiss then, please? Right, I can't do them all tonight because Mummy's throat's going to hurt.
Why?
Because I keep singing them all every night and it's making my throat sore. The story begins with a light in your heart, a fantasy, a dream and a spark. Once you believe you are ready to shine,